Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video, we discussed about abstract class, and there are like two ways to achieve abstraction in Java. One is abstract class, and second one is interface. So if you go back to my previous videos, I've already explained about interfaces inside inheritance topic. But yeah, I can give you some brief idea about interface, what you achieve when you have interface in your code. Interface in Java. So used to achieve abstraction, yeah, that we already saw that if you have interface that can be used for achieve abstraction. Next, used for multiple inheritance, that a single class can have multiple parent class. This is possible with interfaces, not with extend class, because extend says only one class can be extended at a time. But if you have interface, you can extend or implement multiple interfaces at same time. So that's why interface can help us to achieve multiple inheritance. And it is also used for achieving, or you can say, or it's fine, can be used for achieve loose coupling. Yep. So if you have interface, you can gain these three features from it. And yeah, how to write that interface? It needs that reserve keyword interface and then interface name. I won't explain much in detail, it's already explained, just giving you an idea how interface works. So we talked about when we have a method in interfaces, by default that method becomes abstract. That's a rule in Java. So if you have method like this, by default all methods in interface are abstract. So remember this rule, and that's how it works. If you have an abstract keyword or abstract method in your code, that means its implementation is not clear. The child class will give the implementation. So let's say there's a class which says, okay, I can be a child of this interface. So class implements this interface names and then override the method with the body, because method will have here semicolon. So class says, okay, I have a method, but I will give the body. So this becomes the body of the method. Okay, so that's how we achieve abstraction in Java language. So you can use the same example. The same example can be used for abstraction. Yep, it's not like that if you have interface, you cannot see interface. So one concept can be used in multiple places. Like I told you that if you have an interface, you can achieve inheritance, abstraction, and polymorphism as well, like runtime polymorphism. You are trying to override the method. So that's how interface works. One more thing I just want to explain this video. We saw there's a class. Let's say there's a class, and there is again the class, and we want to achieve inheritance. So the keyword is extends, right? That's how it works. Okay. If at the top, like a parent class is interface, and again at the bottom we have a class, so the keyword is implements. This we have already saw through examples, so I hope it's clear. What if we have an interface and the child class is also interface? Then you have to use extends keyword. So if it is not clear, let me know in the comment section. I can write an example for that, but for now that's how things works. If you have a class as a child and parent, so extends is a keyword and that's fine with it. If you have interface as a parent and a child as child class, so implements keyword is used. But in case if both parent and child are interface, so you have to use extends keyword. That's a rule in Java. Just remember that. And that's it for this video, guys. In next video, we will see some more topics of core Java. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and bye bye.